Hey everyone, in this video we are going to make this bottle look like a triaxle using the Rockin' H 3D printed triaxle kit. Let's get started. Okay, for this project, all you really need is this assembly. There's going to be a peg right here so you can put it in your helping hands or whatever device you use to hold while painting. And then you can paint this whatever color of choice you like. For preparation, all I do is wipe it down with rubbing alcohol, let it evaporate, prime and paint. That's all there is to that. I find it's easy just to go ahead and add your wheels and tires while it's off of your bottle. And this is simple enough. Next, the screw we saved, we are going to use that to attach this triaxle piece to our bottle. Once you have the screw snugged up, you can put a little glue up here on the resin and the die cast if you want. It's not necessary, but if you need to, it's added security. Now you saw this fender right here. This is an aftermarket fender I sell. I thought it'd be kind of fun to add this to this bottle. You can tell it's entirely too long, but I thought it'd be fun to add this and give it a different look. As we noted, this is way too long for our bottle, but that's okay. We can cut this down and make it whatever length we want. I want the curve toward the back, and I'm going to mark this right about here. And then use my side cutter. We're going to cut the other one the same length. I'm going to use the lines already on this assembly, so I make sure I get this fender nice and level across that triaxle. A little Insta-set so we can keep moving. And there we go. We've got fenders on this. Finally, I think I'm going to add a mud flap to the front end of that fender just to give it a slightly different, cool look. To make a mud flap for the front, you could use a piece of scrap styrene or anything will work. However, I think I'm going to use this electrical tape. We're going to make a black mud flap. So I've done this quite a bit in the past and it looks kind of cool. Go ahead and fold it on itself. Now cut off the excess. I'm going to cut this in half. I'm going to use a little bit of glue across the top. This one's probably a little bit narrow. Don't be afraid to use more electrical tape than you need because it's electrical tape and it costs about $0. You can use heat or even just massage those till they're a little bit flatter, or leave them a little askew like they are in real life. That's how you're going to assemble your 3D printed triaxle assembly on a DCP bottle, along with a little bonus of adding fenders and mud flaps. You can buy all these parts at rockinhfarmtoys.com. The fenders, wheels and tires, electrical tape, I'm sorry, that's on you, and your assembly, plus you can get your glue, Insta-set, side cutters, those types of things at rockinhfarmtoys.com. Go make something awesome!